Did you know that April is National Decorating Month? Here's some tips to make your work from home space comfortable, productive, and personalized.
It's a fact that an organized home office allows you to focus on the task at hand. So if your space is limited, vertical storage can help you make the most of it. It can also help you add some personality to your home office. But if your work surface is the problem, a compact L-desk might be a solution. Small returns can take advantage of an underutilized corner while providing extra space. Working from home means making the most of space that isn't typically set up for work. Your home office might also act as your gym or your kid's classroom. Consider compact seating that's easy to move and store, or standing height desks to get support on the go. Mobile pedestals allow for movable, right-at-hand storage, and tuck away when not in use, perfect for compact spaces. By now, it's obvious that the layout and look of your at-home workspace don't look the exact same as your traditional office. DIY storage and desktop organizers are great for both displaying decor and accommodating working items alike. Remember, a messy desk can lead to a messy mind, so contain that clutter in a way that looks great to you.
To learn more and find a style that fits your personality, visit nationalbusinessfurniture.com.